Hello everybody, today we are cleaning my first ever mechanical keyboard. It is 6 years old and it's been passed down through many people. And as you can see, it's about time we give it a good cleaning, so we can give it to another person to enjoy. First I had to take out all the keys. This part did take a good 15 minutes to do. That, my friends, is a good 2 years of dust, dirt, and food. Now it's time to clean the keycaps. A little Dawn dish soap, hot water, and a black bucket is all you need. Now it's time to clean the keyboard. I started out with compressed air, followed up by Q-tips, then sprayed some Windex and cleaned it with a microfiber towel, then used a metal polisher and buffed it out really good. Now time for the painstaking process of putting all the keys back on. I'll even include a little clip halfway through this of real-time footage of the actual speed it took to put on these keys. Wow, it looks like a whole new keyboard. It even shines again.